Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video, I bring some beautiful collection of uniquely decorated designs of unique princess theme cake doll ideas that you can create different doll theme cake ideas with these sort of amazingly decorated or your favorite doll or princess theme cake ideas that baby girls will love the most to create these sort of unique and elegant ideas on their birthdays. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and would love to create them. In this video, I bring some beautifully decorated doll theme cake ideas for baby girls to celebrate their birthday with the most amazing or unique designs. These are some ideas that you can create different doll themes by using some princess theme cake ideas. Different princess dolls can be created in the shape of these cakes like you have seen in this video. You can use different color combinations to make these ideas into a more colorful or beautifully decorated idea. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas based on different unique themes. You can create different Tinkerbell theme cake ideas, or some Cinderella theme cakes can be created. Some other princess theme cakes or fairy tale ideas can be created by using these sort of unique concepts or ideas, or whatever idea your baby girls will like the most. You can create it according to her requirements and choices. Viewers, these are some beautifully decorated ideas that you will love the most by creating different pink Barbie doll theme cake ideas, or some other flowery patterns can be created on these baby doll theme gowns ideas that you can choose your baby girl's favorite color or combination ideas according to her choice. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video. Keep supporting me like this. Thank you.